What's going on, guys? This is Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we're looking at this 2020 Chevy 2500 High Country that we just got done lifting here at Krietz Customs. If you guys are looking to get your truck lifted, you should take a look at what we did. So to start off, I'm going over the lift kit, which is going to be a 3-inch Rough Country suspension lift. And when you get a lift kit from Rough Country for your 2500 Chevy, you do have two options. You can go with the premium N3 shocks, or you can go with the Vertex reservoirs, which are going to give you the better ride. So we actually went with the reservoirs on this one, so you can get that nicer ride quality as you go down the road. And if you're going to be towing anything, it's going to be a little bit more comfortable for you. So we did go with that. So the tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler, and this is going to be the hybrid tire. So it's a mix between an all-terrain and hybrid tire, or sorry, the all-terrain and the mud-terrain tire. So it's going to give you the best of both worlds. You're going to get the aggressiveness and aggressive looks and some of the capabilities of a mud-terrain tire with the aggressive sidewall and a little bit of that thicker tread. So you do have, again, some of the off-road capabilities. We also do have the on-road favorable features, as well as like a quieter ride and a longer tread life. Down here we do have a 22x12 Fuel Triton, and this one's going to be one of their older wheels, but is also a very good choice as there's many options as well as many different sizes. So this wheel comes in the gloss black and milled, your platinum finish, chrome. They have a candy red finish with the regular millings on it as well, which is a really good, unique finish for this wheel. And then it comes from sizes from a 17x9 all the way up to a 26x12. So again, like I said, there's a lot of options for this one. However, this one's going to have that directional look with that deep dish style to this wheel. So with this one, with the 22x12, you're going to have about a 5.5-inch lip on this wheel. And then the other features of this is going to have unique rivets on the outside, more like dashes going along this outside of the lip. And then your millings are going to be on the inside of each of the spokes. And then the only other thing is this one does not have the open lug, so you can't run spike lug nuts. So that wasn't very popular back when this came out. However, if that is something you want to do, there are plenty of other options and wheels to choose from. So this is a really good looking wheel and tire package for the truck. So if you guys like anything from this build package, whether it's the lift kit, wheels, or tires, we can get those for you right here at Krietz Customs, and go ahead and actually get your truck lifted. But make sure you check out our 0% financing options, so you go ahead and get your truck lifted now and pay later.